Hi, my name is Richie and I'm the Fabrication Shop Supervisor here at Parabit Systems. My role as a supervisor is to make sure that everything gets done through process, to make sure that my guys follow the process. I enjoy having hands-on experience with things. I like to see projects from start to finish, from raw materials to loose parts from a finished product. Inside of Manufacturing Day, I would like to show you a little bit around our fabrication shop. Over here, this is our welding area. Right now we have this project which is in progress. Two of these projects, it's what we call an Artemis kiosk. It's a brand new product. Right now we're under evaluation of a prototype. So in this area, our welders get their parts, loose parts, they set it up and on their welding benches, they fixture it, they tack weld everything together, proof it out, then finalize the welding. Over here we have a CNC vertical mill. This machine takes a raw material and precisely machines it to a finished part. We have skilled operators who program, set up, and operate this machine. All right, this area over here, this is a press brake. It's a CNC press brake. This machine bends all of our flat sheet metals. It forms it into a part. This area over here is what we have our CNC water jet machine. This machine cuts various materials, various thicknesses with high pressure and abrasive. This area is our final integration area. This is where we grab all of our finished products, we inspect, we wrap them, we crate them. There are a lot of opportunities in manufacturing. There's a lot of different types of skilled trades you can learn and apply. This is manufacturing at Parabit Systems. Happy manufacturing!